To answer your question about creativity in the workplace on having to solve a problem, an example of that would be when our dish machine would break. What we would do is I would take and have the other dishwasher go ahead and move to the secondary washing station, and I would bring them the plates that we need ASAP on the line first before going and troubleshooting the machine, because that way we can still get plates needed to the line that we need first. And then what I would do is troubleshoot the machine, figure out how to get that fixed ASAP. Therefore, we can have the machine back online and aren't falling behind. But after we get the plates done that we need ASAP, we would go ahead and fix the machine first. If we can't fix the machine right away and it's a longer problem, say the water needs to be drained, what we would do is we would go ahead and do a two-man setup on the triple sink, and what we would do would be to have one person wash, the other person dry, and keep that flow going, getting glasses, plates, silverware, whatever is needed to keep the restaurant functional, but also making sure that the line gets what they need, such as their cast irons and skillets and everything else. Until we get caught up on that, what we would do is check on the machine, make sure it's doing what it's supposed to before we can fix it 100%. After we fix that 100% and get it operational, we would slowly transition back into using the machine more, so that way the machine has time to progressively get more and more warmed up. And after that, what we would do would go back to our normal one person on triple, handling the entire kitchen, and the other handling server needs such as glasses, plates, silverware. And how this is creative more than another idea typically would be that we would normally have only one person trying to fix a machine, get that done ASAP, opposed to getting what we need first. So I believe that having that and getting the two people on the triple sink, getting everything caught up first before 100% fixing the machine would help us in the long run, because that way we're not having to focus so much on downtime and the other person getting extremely behind. We would focus on still maintaining that speed on the triple sink while also fixing the machine. So to sum it up, we would do a two-man on the triple sink while the machine slowly cools down, so that way we can start the reset and repairs on it that we would need to do. And then once repairs are done, slowly phase everything back into the machine that goes through the machine, and what goes in the triple sink to the triple sink.